is Unit 2 Mastery. So in the Unit 2 Mastery, you are going to create a 1 to 2 minute video, minimum of 1 minute, maximum of 2 minutes, with images, audio, text, and narration. And you're going to use Adobe Spark, which is now called Adobe Express. And instead of the app, you'll just use the web tool. That's just a lot easier to use, or I suggest you using the web tool, which is a lot easier to use. So once we're in Adobe Express, you'll have a blank canvas, and you can make it look however you want. For example, you can add a background color, and your topic is going to be on any of the internet safety, copyright, academic dishonesty, intellectual property, cyberbullying, anything in module 202 or 203. So that's what your topic's going to be on. Let's say that I want mine to be on social media, for example. So I'm going to title my first page with a text that says social media. So I can make it look better by adding some images, or I could just simply on this page have social media. I don't really need 5 seconds just to have a title slide, so I'm going to reduce it a bit to about 3 seconds for my title slide. So that is text. That's one of the requirements, that you need to have text, and you'll probably have that on every page. Another requirement is an image. So I'm going to add a scene across the bottom, and down there in my second scene, I'll have that highlighted. I'm going to go to Elements, and I'll look up something that pertains to social media. So here's a good image that pertains to social media. And once again, I have a graphic here. I'm also going to add a text so it makes sense of what I'm talking about, and I'm going to call it privacy. So on this slide, I will talk about privacy on using social media. So private, making sure all of your accounts are private. From there, I have now an image, I have text. Of course, you'll create a video that's 1 to 2 minutes, so you're going to keep adding scenes as you go along, depending on what you're talking about, kind of like a PowerPoint would. You'll have pictures, you'll have text. You can also add media from your device. You can add photos. You can search for different photos. Maybe there's a better photo than a graphics for social media, which might pertain to a little more. So if I add a scene, I can add a graphic that may look a little better than one of these simplified images. So I will add throughout my minute graphics and text. Then I'm going to go back to the beginning, and once again I'm going to media, and I'm going to add audio. Now from audio I can add my narration, which is a record voiceover. I can also add background music. So I need both of those. I need background music and I need narration. So let's just say I pick the top option, one of these top options. You hear. All right, so I have background audio, which is a requirement for this assignment. So I have images, I have audio, I have text. The only thing I don't have is narration. So what I'm going to do is click on that audio that I just added, and I want to reduce it down to about 15 to 20%, because I don't want it to be louder than my narration. When I'm talking through this video, I want you to hear what I'm saying. So I'm going to lower the audio, the background audio, down to about 15, 20%. Then I'm going to record a voiceover. So once I click record voiceover, it'll ask me to start recording. I right now have a USB audio device hooked up, so I'm going to use that. But you may just use your speakers on your computer. You don't need a special device to record. So I'll hit record. It'll count down. This is on social media. This is about privacy. So at that point, obviously I would explain what each section was. I may need to increase the length of it. 5 seconds is probably not enough to talk about privacy. To increase the section, all you do is go on the corner of that section and wait till it changes to arrows that point left and right. Click and hold, and you can pull it left and right to increase the size. So let's see though what we have created just in that short amount of time. We're going to hit play. This is on social media. This is about privacy. So as you see, I have background audio, I have narration, I have text, and I have images. You're going to create a video that is going to be 1 to 2 minutes with all of that information about a topic discussed in module 202 or 203. Keep in mind, if your audio is still too loud, click the audio section for your background audio, and you can drop the volume down even further. Maybe you're you're pretty quiet and the background audio is still too loud. You may also not want to use something that is a happy family loop if it is something that is on a negative topic. Typically in Module 202, 203 on copyright laws and all of that, it's not a happy family loop, so maybe pick a background audio that pertains to what you're talking about a little better. But this is on social media. You should get the idea of how to create an Adobe Express video after that short tutorial. And then what you'll do from there is download.